Nilight H13 LED headlight bulbs. The Nilight H13 LED headlight bulbs are a remarkable product that offers exceptional performance and reliability. With over 10 years of experience in the product marketing industry, I can confidently say that these LED headlight bulbs are a valuable addition to any vehicle. One of the key features of the Nilight H13 LED headlight bulbs is its brand reputation. Nilight is known for manufacturing high-quality automotive products, and these headlight bulbs are no exception. The brand's commitment to delivering reliable and durable products ensures that customers can trust the performance of these bulbs. Specifically designed for use as headlights, these bulbs provide a bright white light that greatly improves visibility on the road. Whether you are driving at night or in adverse weather conditions, the Nilight H13 LED headlight bulbs will illuminate the road ahead, enhancing safety for you and other drivers. Furthermore, the voltage requirement.